Hello, madidiskarteng people. For today's video, we will cook the very simple steamed tofu with garlic. We need, of course, tofu or tofu that we can steam it. I buy this tofu in the supermarket. So also we need a spring onion. We need to mince it. Be careful to our hand. And then next we need our garlic. We need the garlic will be minced also. And then we fry first our garlic and a bit of spring onion. So the aroma of the spring onion will mix into our garlic. And then if done already the garlic, we just put it at the top of the tofu like this. And we put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and hot oil and steam for 5 minutes. Then like this, it's done already. Simple as like that. Thank you so much for the discarding people. Bye-bye.